Ukukhula kuqala la ukwazi ukubona khona ukuthi indoda yakho mayichallenge ifuna ukuthi uwenze kangcono, ayikulimazi kodwa uyakukhulisa. Niyangizwa? Angeke uzuyibamba intombazana mayichithela. Once wathola ukuthi uyachitha, bekukudala yenza leyo nto sefuna ukuthi uthole ukuze nizohlukana. Mayexolisa, ungalingi uzulenza iphutha lokumxolela ngoba usuke uchitha isikhathi.
Ngake ngasho ngathi uma ngabe uletha i-relationship yakho ku-social media, ubokwazi ukuthi ngelinye ilanga i-relationship yakho iyoba umhlatshelo ku-social media. Ya sanibona, uma ngabe umuntu ongayithanda iy'ndaba zabantu ungahlali kuleli page, kanti futhi uma ukuzonda nje ukuzwa abanye abantu bekhuluma ngey'ndaba zabanye abantu ungahlali kuleli page. Nina-ke abanye-ke sikhulume ngale ndaba kaThando Lwethu Mlotshwa. Can you believe ukuthi by Friday last week bengingamazi nokuthi ubani uThando Lwethu Mlotshwa, kodwa kusukela ngoLwesihlanu kuze kushaya namhlanje abantu have been posting about her so much so ukuthi nami ngifilile ukuthi ake ngiyothola ukuthi ubani uThando Lwethu Mlotshwa and yini le ngaka ayenzile kubantu eyenza ukuthi abantu bajabulela ukuthi indoda yakhe isimshiyile. So ama-creators-ke amaningi aphosta ngomgosi bebeposta ukuthi le content creator elaphayana on TikTok uThando Lwethu Mlotshwa engathi indoda yakhe ayisabonakali eduze kwakhe. Uma ngabuya lapha kwi-page lakho uyabona ukuthi ube umuntu ophosta kakhulu i-content before abe nomntwana, and some of i-content yakhe bekwi-content yakhe kanye no-boyfriend ke wakhe ongasabonakali kuma-video. Ngihambile ngayo wabuka ama-videos akhe amadala ngoba bengifuna uku-understand ukuthi yini le ngaka edine abantu. uThando Lwethu beposta i-content eningi ekhuluma ngama-relationships, izinto zokuchitha nani kodwa ube umuntu othatha kakhulu isayidi labafana. Yabo, bekuyile content le ehlezi izokwenza umuntu wesifazane abe wrong. Ngicabanga ukuthi iyona nto edine abantu leyo, nanokuthi indlela abeyenza ngayo i-content yakhe ibinokumemeza nje nokuthetha okuthile ezenza samama othile nje onika nama-advice. So ngithe mase ngiyibuka i-content yakhe endala ngabona ukuthi oh hayi, nansi into edina abantu. Now ubaba wengane ngazi ukuthi akasekho empilweni yakhe and naye i-content ayiphostayo njengamanje ngathi vele uyaconfirm ukuthi useyi-single mother njengamanje. Nayi-ke into mina engiyibonayo, sonke uma ngabe sikhuluma or whether sikhuluma ngama-relationships or whatever sisuke sixoxa ngayo, i-opinion yakho is based on where you are empilweni. Uma ngabe una 15, you can only talk about the experience yakho at 15 years old. Uma una 20 kuyafana, una 30, una 40. That's why uyothola ukuthi umuntu omncane uyayafuna i-advice kumuntu omdala ngoba kahle typically umuntu omdala should have gone through more and gained more experience and understanding and wisdom uma ngabe semdala. Kunzima ukuthi singathi abantu abancane ngoba abakaphili long enough abangabi ne-opinion empilweni. Sine kumele sikwenze ukuthi umuntu omncane uma ngabe ene-opinion noma e-offer i-advice, leyo advice siyibuke in context yokuthi usamncane, usazokhula, she will go through things and then uzobe seyayi-understand impilo. Lento iyafana nje nento kaPromise Makunyane ukuthi ngeke uPromise eshadile bengayi-understand indaba yabantu abadivorsayo bashiya ama-husbands abo because of cheating, and then on top of that baze on the internet and they talk about their ex-partners. She was not for that because at the time ube happily married and she was fighting for her marriage and she could only speak from where she was as a person. I think noThando Lwethu Mlotshwa ushawe leyo nto ukuthi wenze i-content ekwi-relationship ebebukeka kuyona engathi uhappy, kodwa obviously thina that have lived longer we know ukuthi uma kwi-relationship kuleya age lena mancane amathuba ukuthi i-relationship yakhe last forever. So vele suke sazofika isikhathi sokuthi nihlukane. Manje uma ngabe ubefuna ukwenza i-content yoku-advise abantu about ama-relationship and all of that and efeel ukuthi she has something to say, une-opinion ethile afuna ukuyi-express, she could only express that based on i-experience anayo. Obviously uma ngabe uzofara ama-advice or i-content yakhe izofavor abantu besilisa uzobadina abantu kakhulu futhi, kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi i-content yakhe should have been taken as seriously as people did. Abantu babe offended kakhulu i-content yakhe to a point where manje sebeya-celebrate ukuthi umfana akasekho eduze kwakho. I'm sure ukuthi akukho mnandi kuthando lwethu ukuthi umfana akasekho eduze kwakhe, especially because usuke eduze kwakhe after esethole umntwana. Kodwa ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuyilesson nakuyena lokho ukuthi uma ngabe kuyi-relationship isahamba kahle awuchomi kakhulu ngayo. Sonke-ke leyo nto kusithatha isikhathi ngoba sonke sibile kuma-relationship where you thought i-relationship izolasta forever and it never did. And then wasuyafunda ukuthi hayi izinto mayihamba kahle kwi-relationship it does not mean ukuthi zizohlezi zihamba kahle. So naye usakhula, I'm sure ama-lessons lawo awatholile empilweni and mhlambe moving forward that's why eseyishintsha na i-content yakhe angasenzi leya content ayekade yenza ngoba usefundile empilweni. Mhlambe fanele simnike nje lelo thuba lokuthi awathathe ama-lessons naye awasebenzise empilweni yakhe. Enye into-ke guys futhi eyenzekayo ukuthi once waba nabantwana as umama, ingane yakho or iy'ngane zakho they come first. And kwesinye isikhathi awubusakwazi to give as much as you used to kwi-relationship. Kunama-sacrifices othi uma usingle ungenazo iy'ngane ukwazi ukuthi uwenze. Khona izinto that you are willing to let go of uma ngabe ungakabi ney'ngane. And then uma usuney'ngane, because ingane yakho comes first, kunezinto that you will not tolerate. That's why kulula ukuthi after ube nengane i-relationship would not work out because ifocus yakhe isuke isesenganeni kakhulu and nawe you are more firm ekuthenini no, this is what I will allow empilweni yami and this is what I will not allow empilweni yami. Uma ngabe umuntu nje othi mina ngaba ney'ngane zangangishintsha nhlobo nje, zangashintsha ngisho indlela engiprioritize ngayo izinto empilweni yami, ungabe unamanga. So naye ngenzeka ukuthi ukuba nengane kwenze ukuthi i-relationship yakhe ayibuke ngenye indlela. Mhlawumbe kunezinto abeyibekezelela decide ukuthi angeke asazibekezelela, so waphuba kwi-relationship yakhe. Kanti-ke futhi kungenzeka nje ukuthi umfana ubonile ukuthi hayi la bengihlaliswe into ethile kodwa manje akusafani, isimo besingihlalisile la asisafani. Washaya phansi umfana ngoba niyabazi abafana bahlala beshaya phansi. Angithi nani banishiya benu manje ngempela nithi akenze njalo kathando lwethu. Mina-ke ngiyibuke nje ingane ku-TikTok Nkosi yami, uba ngabe ishumayela ngey'ndaba zama-relationship ngisho ukuthi yeyi isayinde indlela. Kodwa I think ngempela uma ngabe bebancane, especially ama-creators lawa amancane, ngempela faneke siwanike i-grace. Impilo isayinde guys, ziningi izinto abasazoyifunda, maningi amaphutha abasazowenza. Yes, I do understand ukuthi abantu babe interested in the fact that ubaba wengane usehambile, kodwa awubakithi phela ningabe senenza kakhulu. Nani angithi niyayikhumbula i-heartbreak ukuthi yayinjani, ugona ingane ngala nangomfana lapho usehambile, mhlawumbe useyayijolela nomunye umuntu. Hayi bafethu, asingayishayi kakhulu ingane. Anyways, bye.